So that's it with the accent piece back on, the cover back on, and that's still with the rail on without any more mods. But do I mount the bag there, or just remove the whole rear indicator and move the whole bag back so it's behind the accent piece, so it like sort of takes up more, or is it going to just sit back too far? So I might have to think about it during the week. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to fab up another one of these for the other side. I'm just going to replicate what I've got here and cut it off there, and just give it a tidy up, give it a paint during the week. So I've got something to work with. I've still got this pickup point here to work from. I mean, the indicator can come back level with the light, really. We'll see. But I don't want the bag out here. I don't want the bag sticking out. I want the bag in as far as possible, really. So I might just do that. See what it looks like. Right. Okay. So I made this. This is my first attempt at making a rail up. So basically, it's just a piece of angle iron, X length, cut, bent, and the idea was I was going to cut it, bend it, weld it up, which is what I've done. But this bit here was too short, so if you can imagine, that being on the bike, I had it so it sort of stopped there. So the standard indicator was still there, but now I want it to go over that, so I had to make this section again. So now this part, I need to watch a few more videos about tail tidies and bits and pieces, but these original holders for the indicators, I'm just going to zip off because they're actually in my way now. I'm going to try and retain these two holes here. So I'm just going to zip off around it. I don't actually need any of this. How much of this I need, I don't know. So I'm going to concentrate on making it functional, and then worry about the tail tidy bit afterwards. Okay. Now, I looked at some luggage systems online, and one that springs to mind is like Givi, but I'm sure there's other ones as well. But underneath your bike, if you take the plastic panel off, you've got 4 holes. So there's 2 location holes that can actually pick up a rail like this. So these are the 2 holes. That hole was already in the metal, so don't worry about that. So what you need to do what's called a dirty finger drawing to try and work out where the holes are. So what you do is you get a piece of paper and you lay it underneath the bike on the frame, and with a dirty hand, I'm doing this one-handed by the way, so you just rub your dirty finger over the hole. So you have to hold a piece of paper in place. So I'm sort of doing this one-handed. So let's just work back. Okay, so as you can see, that's how you mark your hole. So underneath the bike you'll have 4 of these. So then what you need to do is you need to work out which ones you need to drill through the plastic. So what you do, you get this piece of paper, you lay it on your plastics like that, and then you basically drill your holes. So when you put the plastic back on the bike, when you get the frame rails from whatever manufacturer you use, put them up underneath the bike and the holes will marry up so you can put your bolts in. Alright, I hope that makes sense. So I'm just going to crack on with this and I'll show you where I am to a little bit later on.